everyone, and welcome back to my and my husband's channel. Today I've got the February BOXYCHARM. Just came in the mail. So let's dig in. This is my favorite box, so you know I'm always excited when I get it. And I don't think I've seen any spoilers. So it'll be a surprise. Oh, it's not. This is the box. Usually it comes in it's a big box. I don't think it's BOXYLUXE. No, it's just BOXYCHARM. Okay, so here is the card, and on the back is what's in it. I'm not gonna look. So the theme is adore. So the theme is love, which makes sense because it's February. And I'm gonna. Don't tell me anything that's in here, honey. I'm not looking, but that's what is in the box. So let's dig in.
What's in the box?
See what we have. Okay, the first thing I'm feeling is a tube of some sort. So it's an Amika product. It's Amika Supernova Moisture and Shine Cream. What does that do? For the hair? This Supreme Leave-In Cream weightlessly conditions, tames frizz, and heat protects for touchably soft hair that's full of shine. Perfect. Pretty packaging too, isn't it? Oh, it doesn't have a seal on it. Oh, it smells like flowers. It's got a very creamy consistency. So yeah, that's product number 1. Okay, next up I'm feeling something squishy. Maybe makeup remover wipes? Yes. So this is from EVO Skin and Aurora Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes.
Hemp wipes.
With cannabis sativa seed oil.
What?
Fancy. What's this says? So yeah, we've got some makeup cleansing wipes, which, you know, can always use.
Oh, there's like pot leaf.
Oh, is there?
Yeah, on the front of it.
Oh yeah, it's got some marijuana leaves on the packaging, so you know what's in it. Okay, next up we've got something. Oh, we've got a Luxie sponge set, and that's good because I only have one sponge, and I got it in the Glossy Box Advent Calendar. So more. So this one's for baking, this one's for contouring, and this one's for details. So the wee little one. So those are nice. Yeah, those will come in handy. Okay, there's 2 things left, I think. The last thing is very big, but this is a facial radiance pads from First Aid Beauty, is it? Yep. So help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. I like getting face stuff. I like the makeup stuff more, but I do like a nice face product. So it's got a nice seal on it. And they don't really have a smell, which is nice. Or they're very wet. So they're just little circular cleaning pads. And I will use that one. I'll use those tonight. See, give them a go. Very exciting. And I think this is the last thing. It's a big old thing. Look at that. It's huge.
Is it brushes?
I'm hoping it's eyeshadow.
Oh. Oh, it will be.
Oh, it's Iconic London. So that is where that really cool spray we got.
What, that mixed?
Yeah, it mixed like the gold.
Yeah.
So, Iconic London, and it is a Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. Create endless beautiful looks with these 20 highly pigmented pink, peach, bronze, and gold shades. These velvety soft powders include a mixture of matte, shimmers, and glitters for flawless day to night looks. Look how big it is. Very pretty packaging.
Golden book. There you go.
Oh. So it's got a nice big mirror.
Nice mix of shimmer and matte shades.
Very nice shimmer matte shade mix. Let me peel that off. So that is that eyeshadow palette. So let's read out all the colors.
Oh, geez.
So top row, In the Nude, Champagne Chic, 24 karat gold, and Deep Soul. Then VIP Vibes, Copper Me Fancy, Ultimate Tan, and Closing Party. Then
What?
Bronze Bay,
Okay.
BAE. I went back to filming on my phone, and now I have to keep track of the time better. Sorry. So, I think I was at Bronze Bay.
Yep.
And then
BAE.
Taupe to Taupe. Merlot Mondays and Velvet Crush. And then Peaches and Dreams, Peach Fizz, Bellini, and Rags to Riches. I really like that row of colors. And then the bottom row is Icon, Marshmallow, Wonderland, and Girl Boss. These are really pretty, and I am going to enjoy playing with all of these. Should we do a swatch? A couple swatches?
Yeah.
One from each row?
Do Girl Boss.
Okay, I'm going to do 24 karat gold, Closing Party, Merlot Mondays. Let me get a little bit more of that. Bellini, and Girl Boss.
What are you going to do with all those?
I'm going to put them on my hand.
All right.
So I'm putting them on backwards, kind of. Oh, ooh, ooh. So the mats have a bit of fallout, but they swatch really nicely. Look at those shimmery glitters.
Which one's Girl Boss?
This one.
Oh, I thought it would have been the middle one. Huh, weird.
No, that one is the Closing Party. So yeah, very impressed. I liked it. I liked this box. I liked it. Because it got a big eyeshadow palette.
Yeah.
Okay, so. Hey Jay, what do you think my favorite thing is in this box?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is my favorite. And then I'm going to go with these exfoliating, toning, brightening pads.
The swatcher things, I guess.
And then the sponges.
Then the weed thing, and then the...
You're right. And then the wipes, and then the hair treatment. Your stuff's boring.
Well, not always.
I mean, I have like thick, frizzy, whirly hair. So, you know, you think I'd care more about it, but... I mean, I straightened it a little bit today. You know, I put in some effort.
Yeah.
Alright. So, there is everything. This is going to be hard to lift up. There's everything. We got in February's BOXYCHARMs.
Yeah.
So, let's see the value of our box. And I was right to mention, so this is a $25 a month subscription. American. So it's like $75 Canadian every month. And you're supposed to get over $100 worth of products. Maybe it's $125 now, but we'll see. So here is our list. Jay, do you want to add up stuff?
Just a second.
Okay, we'll just wait. Alright, so the Iconic London Day to Slay eyeshadow palette is $62. The Luxie sponge set, $40. The Supernova from Amika, $25. That's a little pricier. The First Aid Beauty Radiance Pads, $16. And the refreshing cleansing wipes.
Are they flushable, those things?
$10. No.
Oh, okay.
You should never flush anything down the toilet. Anyway, what is their total retail value?
What was the last one? I'm sorry, I missed the...
Oh, because you were being witty?
Yeah.
$10.
Okay, the grand total is $153.
That's not bad for $25. And so there's a thing on the bottom here that says if I upgraded... Oh, I do have BOXYLUX. Oh. If we get the March BOXYLUX, it's going to have Tarte and NARS products in it. That'll be exciting. Spoiler alert. Anyway. So thank you for watching my February BOXYCHARM unboxing. Hope you enjoyed. I would, like I say it every video, I'd highly recommend this box for somebody. If you want a special treat in the mail every month, 25 bucks. You know, it's nice to get something that's not bills. So if you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, you can like and subscribe here, and there's some more videos down here, or is it this way?
I think it's that way. Other way. Yep.
This way. I'd very much appreciate it, and I hope everyone has a great day and a great week. Bye.